Hey everyone, happy test day. So you guys are going to take the test today. There is a section at the beginning I wanted to talk to you guys about. This is over experimental design and measurement. You guys are going to do one of these readings. You can pick one. The first one is an excerpt from the book Gone Girl. The second one, What If? That's this artist, cartoonist, I guess you would say, and he answers these like what if science questions. So that's what this one's about. And then the last choice is hummingbirds with lowering their body temperature. It's an article from a science magazine. So you guys can pick any of those articles to answer the following questions about. I try to do a variety of different articles there. So if you'd rather, read fiction, go Gone Girl. If you would like some humor to go with it, What If? And then if you just want the facts about hummingbirds, choose that one. So make sure you guys read those and then answer the questions that follow. You can use your notes from Edgenuity for any part of this, and then let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.